Waking up every day is a blessing from God. To breathe is just another great opportunity the next day you get. And getting caught up in the traffic, going to work, getting yourself breakfast, or even if you're parents, getting your kids ready to school. This is all something that is beautiful, something that you're given an opportunity to live your life in this day. And as a finance student, I would say smiling is the biggest investment that you can make, because that's going to give you a bigger return of feeling happiness, feeling content. So try to smile at people you know, people you do not know. It's going to definitely make your day good, and have a positive mindset, because positive minded people find opportunity in everything, at work, at business. Negative minded people find faults in everything. So stay happy and stay blessed throughout your day. Good morning, guys. Welcome to I Am the Eater Food Show. So if you're new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button so you're not going to miss any of my videos. So this channel is about just food, because food is always close to me, and I think it connects people. You don't have to know someone's language, or you don't have to know someone. You just socialize over the food. It's just amazing. It's something that people live for. So this is going to be really interesting, guys. This channel is going to have a lot of food and travel. So today I'm here in Colombo, Sri Lanka, in Attidia Junction. So this is a normal route which I take to work, and being a Sri Lankan, I really love my Kola Kenda, which is the herbal porridge. And the guy in Attidia Junction, which is next to the market, he does a really good Kola Kenda. He really makes it every day. He has a different herbal porridge. So just a glass is about 60 to 70 rupees, and he gives you in a big mug. So it's just worth it. And this is like the best so far I have tried outside. So let me show you guys where is it, and let me go and get it, because today he said he's gonna have the water crescent, that is the Gotu Kola, and the Curry Leaves porridge. So it's gonna be really good. So let's go and see what it is like. See a small board there, guys, next to the dog there. That's the small board which is Kola Kenda, and then as you can see, that's his shop, and that's the Attidia Junction. That's the market there, right? Turn left, you go to Kola. Kola Kenda yatte na? Huh? Oh. Ne, bonda, jaggi. Adu me Gotu Kola da? අනිත් එක මේ ගොටු වල දානවා කිව්වද? ගොටු වල දානවා කිව්වනේ ඊයේ. හරි. Thank you. No. It's the market there. That's the Attidia market, and that's the Attidia Junction. And here we are, and I have my Kola Kenda. I'm gonna take off my mask and have my jug of wow. That's really good, guys. It's not very hot. It's warm, and it's very, very refreshing. I mean, it's the texture of the Kola Kenda is very refreshing, and it's a big mug, and it's good for a breakfast, and it will get you through the day. You don't have to have any solid breakfast. A mug of Kola Kenda is just it's going to reduce your cholesterol. It's going to burn off that bad fat, and it will start your day. So definitely, guys, if you stop by in Arcadia, just have a mug of Kola Kenda, because it's really good, and it's a very small joint and small business, guys, and your support must be will be definitely valuable for them. And all that red rice has been fine blended, as you can see. It's finely blended. Wow. The drink, guys. So I asked her what's up for tomorrow. So she told me her husband has gone looking for herbs. So maybe tomorrow she'll get something better. So it keeps on changing from Gotu Kola to curry leaves to so many other. Sometimes they'll have garlic, which is really good if you have cholesterol. So it's a good healthy drink bar. So please do subscribe for my channel, guys, and definitely there's always something there for you guys to watch. And love you all, and